A little bit of mail time today. First package we have flip face RC remote control Thomas. According to the seller, works. Battery terminals look clean. Let me see if this thing works. Remember, if this light blinks when we remove this battery, then we have power. Yeah, we have an energy or power to the motor. To the model. Next is the remote control. Battery terminals look clean. They look clean. And let's check if this remote control model works. Oh, switch. Oh, I saw it moving. You gotta hold this button in order to play the song. And here is the reverse, forward. Is it noisy? Just a little bit. I might replace that cog for later. Yeah, I'm gonna replace it. I'll make sure it's in optimum condition for sale. This very next one. Yeah, you remember this one? It's Bertram. Well, after reading the listing, it says in optimum working condition with minor flaws. Missing it's missing the nameplate. This one is okay. Let's open this up and see if it really works. No batteries included, obviously. Battery terminals are good. And test. Oh, that's loud. No problem. Easy fix. Easy fix. Let's see if I can fix them at the end of the video. I have other packages to check. Bertram. These two products sent by CIVAVO. Thank you for sending this product. You can check the link in the description. It's a 15-day cleanse for, I think it's for colon. Good support. And we have triple complex magnesium. Check the link in the description. Also, thank you CIVAVO for sending these products. I will make sure to post the link on my video description. And let's continue. I do not take any fixing repairs yet, but I'm going to do an exception. Here's what we're going to do. Since you are, let me check this one first. It says it's metal piece broken. I might fix it, but you gotta pay the shipping. I am not responsible for shipping. See, you gotta pay shipping. It's I gotta pay the shipping back to your address. So I'm that's the reason I'm not taking any. Oh, that's a good fix repair. Yes, this, where is it? It's right here. It's the battery terminal that's broke off from here. We might be able to fix it, but like I say, if you're sending, I will start taking commissions to fix and repair, but you gotta pay shipping and the repair. But obviously, I always say, you know what, watch my video, see if you can fix it yourself at home. And if for some reason you want to, then definitely I could maybe help you. I'm gonna start taking commissions and fixing repairs, but obviously there is a charge. It's nothing for free. Shipping is sometimes expensive. Sometimes it's about $7, sometimes $10. So you gotta pay for that and the parts and a little bit of labor. Again, this is another model sent by a subscriber. Problem with the left wheel is broken. So it's a TOMY Thomas. Yeah, I censored the address, don't worry about it. So it's not showing. And I don't know if let's see if it works. If this at least works. Yeah, it tried to move. Well, the wheel is not a big problem. It's easy fix. So let's begin. Also received this bunch of shells, tops, only tops, and few chassis, nothing else. I can't do anything. I already sent a message. I say, you know what? I cannot fix these things. There's no way to fix this. You need the chassis, wheels, motors, and everything is missing here. So I can't do anything. So the only thing I can do is um, send me your. I mean, I think I have your address, but you need to pay the shipping back. I mean, there's nothing you can do with these parts. Sorry, my friend, but I can't do anything. All right, we're gonna start with the easy fix. This Tommy Thomas. Funny how it looks only. Let me show you the other side. See, it's just this piece. Anyways, yeah, I have a lot of wheels for Tommy Thomas. We're gonna put the original one on this one. Good thing the tires still good condition. Here we have the spare. Just need a little cleaning. Driving axle is in really good condition. Motor sounds good, but after a quick inspection, this cog is very loose. It makes a little rattle noise. Yes, I added some super lube. Hopefully now works much better. Can you hear? Can you hear anything? Very quiet, very quiet. I must be very careful since this is a Tommy, and I can see it's very old. But look at the difference. Still strong. Nice. Fixed. Alright, Manny. Your model being fixed. I hope I can send you an invoice for the shipping. Can you hear that noise? Okay, we gotta fix this problem. All screws out. Two more here, and this spring. Two short screws out, and pull the motor out too. And the next tiny screws, lever, switch. Yeah, I saw that tiny screw flying off, but we have a spare part somewhere. No worries. And here is the problem. Somehow I found the tiny screw. Alright, we got the spare cog back. Put the motor back together to the gearbox. Excellent. Test. Much better. Another test. Good. Alright, good. The turn for Hiro Plarail. Remember this one has this broken piece. Okay, I have this spare part. pull the face out, and I'm going to put a rivet there. Next we have to do the test, see if this thing, yes, it works, but it's missing the rubber tires. So let's put this back together. These red wheels and the cover hole there. Rubber tires. I don't remember if Tommy came with this kind of this color rubber tires, or the I think the Tommy ones with this color. But good. Now I don't know if it's working perfect, and it's very quiet. I don't know if I have yeah, I think I have some side roads. See, for a moment I thought this Tommy had the same side roads. See, this goes through this part here, but this one has not that hole for that. So we're going to use some Tommy side roads. I don't pay attention to these Tommys. Most of these I have are Mattel, Hito Company, Trackmaster line. So here you go, my friend. Your model has been fixed. I hope I can send you an invoice soon so you can pay for the shipping and labor and parts. Let's see if we can fix Bertram. So at the beginning of the video we saw in here this model is loud, really loud, missing nameplates. I'm gonna try at least clean it a little bit, put a fresh nameplate, remove this cog. I'm not gonna do anything to the tender since we on this kind of models we definitely want the original condition, but definitely we need nameplates. And basically the problem with Bertram is the cog located on this motor, this one here. If it's loose, that means it's the one that making noise. Fresh cog in place. Let's put this back together. And I'm adding some lube. Much better, way much better. Needs some cleaning. Nameplate, good. Very tiny decal. And here is the last one. Cool. Alright, we are done with today's mail time fix and repair.